Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated to iOS 18, its battery is above 50%, and Bluetooth is enabled. Place both AirPods in their charging case, verify the case has charge, then close the lid and keep it next to your iPhone. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to confirm iOS 18 is active. Make sure your iPhone stays unlocked and awake. This prevents interruptions and lets the AirPods receive. Next, you trigger the firmware transfer by opening the AirPods case near your unlocked iPhone with Bluetooth on. Connect the AirPods and play a short audio clip for a few seconds to ensure active audio routing. This helps the iPhone recognize the device and prepares it for a firmware push. After playback, stop audio and close the case. Then leave the case open near the phone or place both plugged into power. Make sure you do not move them. Continuity and a stable connection let the firmware install. Finally, verify the update by going to Settings, Bluetooth, tapping the info icon next to your AirPods and checking the firmware version. If you don't see the new version, make sure both devices have power and are close together. Wait up to an hour as updates can delay. If it still stalls, restart your iPhone, reconnect the AirPods, and try again. As a last resort, reset the AirPods by holding the case back button for about 15 seconds. Then repeat the process to force a fresh firmware installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.